So Virginia is one of the top 3 locations for AI jobs. The other ones being Washington State and DC, right? So DC right outside of our borders here. And a large part of that has to do with government work, with government contracts. But when you look at the Commonwealth of Virginia, it really is Fairfax County and Arlington County that are leading the way. So it's important to us because one of our goals is to connect our students to employment. So we want to provide our students with the skills that they'll need to succeed once they leave Nova. So we have multiple pathways for them to really gain those AI skills. First and foremost, we'll be launching through the Fast Forward program, which is those short-term industry recognized credentials, where the Commonwealth of Virginia really pays for 2/3 of that credential, and individual students are responsible for at most 1/3, but 80% of our students pay nothing for their Fast Forward certifications. So we'll be launching an AI certification through Fast Forward in the coming months. So that's that short term, 4 months or less. We also have a certification in data analytics and AI. And I really want to highlight that data analytics because what's critical in artificial intelligence is that that's just a tool that's running against some data in the background. Right. And so it's garbage in, garbage out. So we want our students to be able to really clean up that data, understand their data, so that when they go into the marketplace, they have that skill set as well. Then we recognize that AI is across the curriculum. So we'll be launching a general education course around the ethics of AI, which I think is incredibly important.
Very important.
And one of the things we talked about at the CEO meeting is the critical, I think, inflection point that we're at right now in ensuring that the entire community has access to this skill set that's going to be essential for future employment.